If you've had an opportunity to visit Carmel Catholic High School, you've noticed as you've driven by our tennis courts that they're one of the feature athletic facilities here on our campus. Unfortunately, if you've taken the time to step on our tennis courts, you've also noticed that they need some work. Over the years, our tennis courts, like any other tennis court facility, has taken a beating from the winter weather here in Illinois and the spring thaw, and we are at the point now where our tennis courts need a significant amount of repair and in fact replacement in order for them to remain competitive and to remain useful for our student athletes here at Carmel Catholic High School. The tennis court renovation project here at Carmel Catholic High School will consist of repositioning our current 8 courts so that they better align with each other. We'll be bringing the courts down to grade so that they are on the same level. This will enhance our spectator viewing area that will exist between the courts. We'll also be introducing a new storage facility to the 8 courts. And last but not least, we will be replacing all fencing around the tennis court facility. We hope to break ground on this project on May 15th and conclude in the middle of the summer. All told, we expect this project to cost around $1 million. And with the help from our generous Carmel Catholic athletic community, we know that this will benefit our student athletes for years to come. On behalf of Carmel Catholic High School and the Corsairs Athletic Department, I'd like to thank you for considering your support of this project.